Do you want Windows 10 without any expenses? Here's it. You can install Windows 10 Pro for free. Step 1. Open the link given in the description. After that, download the setup application. Step 3. Open it and throw your patience till it gets everything done for downloading Windows 10. You can see here that the application is genuine, that it's the property of Microsoft anyways. After getting everything done, agree to all the terms and conditions that they offer. Then, start downloading Windows 10. This may take a while to get it installed on your PC depending upon the speed of your PC. Don't interrupt the process or whatever.